Hello and welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. Remember that in the previous classes we studied complex and easy questions related to simultaneous linear and non-linear equations. So today we will move on and we will study a new topic related to indices. There are 5 laws of indices and we will study each law in detail and how to apply these laws of indices in questions of indices. So the first law is multiplying indices, second law is dividing indices, the third law is bracket with indices, fourth law is power of 0, and the last law is negative indices. So we will study that in this class we will study that how we apply indices in questions. So the first law says multiplying indices. When we are multiplying indices with the same base and power, so the power will be added, like a power m multiplied by a exponent n. So a power m plus n. So when bases are same, powers will be added. The same example is also there. So let's move on. So law 2 says dividing indices. When we are dividing indices with the same base and then the powers will be subtracted, like a power m divided by a power n, so equal to a power m minus n. When bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. So moving on to the third says bracket with indices. It says that when there is a power outside the bracket, we multiply the powers, like m bracket m n. So m will be multiplied with the n. So a power m multiplied by n. So 2 power 4 will be the 4 will be multiplied with the outside of the bracket. So we will get the answer 2 power 8. So the fourth law says power of 0. It says any non-zero value raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any of the variable. So a power 0 is always equal to 1. If there is any number and its power is 0, like 3 upon 2, 6 upon 9, if there is minus 5 upon 6 or any value and its power is 0, so it will be equal to 1, like 6 power 0 equal to 1. This is the fourth law of indices. So coming forward to law 5, which says negative indices. In negative indices, when the index is negative, we will put it over 1 and flip and write its reciprocal to make it positive. Reciprocal means to flip it and change into positive, like a power minus m equal to 1 upon a power m. When a power is in minus, when reciprocal it, so 1 upon a power m will be our answer, because the power is in negative and we always have to change the negative power in positive. So like this in the second example also, 6 power minus 2 equal to 1 upon 6 power 2, because the power is in negative, so when we will reciprocal it, so we will get the result 1 upon 6 power 2. These are the 5 laws of indices, and in the next class we will also learn about questions related to, we have only done examples of these indices and laws. So in the next class we will also try to learn some new questions related to indices and how to apply indices in complex question. So I hope you have learned and understand the laws of indices and how to apply them in questions. So we will meet in next class. Allah Hafiz.